Hello everyone, this is Lin from China. I'm with Pretech here for InfoComm 2024. Here we mainly bring our solutions for AIoT, and you can also call it HMI, Human Machine Interactive Control Touch Panels. So we have quite a few different sectors. The first one is smart home. You can see this one is you can replace with wall panels. So it's a 5.5-inch smart home wall panel. And this one, you can see it's 8-inch. It's with power over Ethernet connection. So we have this for the air conditioner, aircon control system. And like this one, 8-inch, you probably are familiar with those signs. It's for smart home control. Also connected with home security. You can here see the fire alarm. Those also you can check your you have the card reader. And we have bigger ones for some new apartment to integrate into their kitchen closet system. So when you do cooking, you can see all kind of recipes on that, and also you can order food on that. So if you want to see more information, you can go to our website www.pretech-e.com for more information.